Hello, my name is Ashley, and today I'll be walking you through DOTS order validation. DOTS order validation takes online fraud detection to new levels. This real-time API authenticates the validity of customer order information before the order reaches credit card processing and fulfillment. This is an advanced composite API that performs multi-level verifications and utilizes many of our DOTS contact validation services, including address validation, BIN validation, reverse phone lookup, email validation, and IP validation. It performs over 200 tests to standardize and validate the customer's data. We utilize our proprietary normalizing algorithm to inspect the various customer components. A quality score is then assigned to the customer order, offering guidance on the validity and legitimacy of the transaction. Let's take a look at this first example of the web service. The input field contains the information that the customer inputted, including billing and shipping addresses, email, and their full name. Also included within the inputs are the customer's IP address and the test type. A test type is similar to a set of instructions for how an order should be processed. It tells the service which components, like address, phone, name, email, IP, or BIN, should be present, which tests should run, and how to score these tests. This web service has 4 test types, and in this example, we used business to consumer, which includes billing and shipping. On the right side, you can see the outputs returned by the service. The billing and shipping addresses have been corrected and standardized, and an acceptable quality score of 95 has been assigned. Additional notes have been added that give detailed information, including IP address is valid, shipping address is valid, and email is good. In this second example, the inputted information wasn't as strong. The fields on the left contain the customer's inputs. Taking a closer look, you'll notice that the email is very suspicious and the phone number inputted is clearly bogus. As you can see from the low quality score returned and the multiple warning note codes, DOTS order validation is indicating that this transaction is potentially fraudulent and should not be processed. In order to test this API, you'll need a trial license key. We use license keys to authenticate and count the transactions for our customers. The easiest way to gain instant access to trial keys is to fill out the free trial key form on the right-hand side of the product webpage you're interested in. You can test any of our services for 30 days or 500 transactions, whichever comes first. If you are planning on integrating the API, it's important to select from the interest level drop-down, I will use the API in my software or application. I'll show you why this is important in just a moment. Once you fill out the free trial form, you'll receive an email specific to API integration that looks like this. It contains your unique license key to use during the trial. The email also contains some handy links for developers to various tools you'll need for a smooth API integration. We offer many helpful tools for developers integrating this API. This includes a detailed developer guide and sample code downloads. We offer sample code in a variety of major programming languages, including PHP, Java, and C#. Within the developer guide, you'll find the outputs for each specific test type, additional example code snippets, and detailed explanations of warnings and notes for each output. DOTS order validation is a web service API with no servers or software to install. Your information is never stored, and we offer a 99.995% server uptime guarantee. Free technical support is offered to customers, and there are many free resources available throughout our website, including access to videos, articles, and white papers. We have over 20 real-time contact validation APIs and offer multiple solutions and third-party integrations to meet your needs. To access your own DOTS order validation free trial or to test any of our real-time contact validation services, please visit our website at www.serviceobjects.com.